Hello, good afternoon, friends. This is 16th of December 2023. This video will be in English, थोड़ा हिंदी, थोड़ा English. So in this video हम जो करने वाले हैं what we do in regularly over the weekend, sector analysis, and in among all the sector analysis that I regularly publish for Rainbow users कि on the banking sector stocks. Banks बहुत important होते हैं, very important sector of the overall economy. तो उन पे थोड़ा चेक रखना is not a bad idea. It's actually a pretty good idea. तो ये एनालिसिस के लिए हम लोग डेली टाइम फ्रेम और वीकली टाइम फ्रेम का लार्जली इस्तेमाल करेंगे. वीकली टाइम फ्रेम इज फॉर सिलेक्शन. एक चीज पहले बता दूं, ध्यान रखिएगा कि ट्रेडिंग एक बहुत ही रिस्की बिजनेस है. किसी के बारे में किसी के सुन के कभी भी ट्रेड नहीं करना चाहिए, इंक्लूडिंग मी. यू शुड नॉट लिसन टू मी एंड ट्रेड. You should learn trading, learn the language of the market, and based on your understanding, you should trade. Otherwise, there are avenues like mutual funds, exchange traded funds, where you can invest and become a non discretionary participating investor, sort of. So, ध्यान रखिएगा, trading is very, very risky business. I do not recommend acting on my calls. These videos are largely for Rainbow setup users. अगर आपको भी हेल्प हो रहा है तो ठीक है, बढ़िया. But these are largely for Rainbow setup users and for me to look back what I was thinking during this time. So kind of video blog. तो चलिए चालू करते हैं और इसके लिए विल ब्रिंग आवर फेवरेट इंडिकेटर दैट इज द एसडी रेनबो वेव वर्जन 1. And we'll use the stocks weekly setup since this is the scanning stock selection setup, and we'll use the SDRSI X for this. So we'll come down to now Fino Payments Bank. It is still in red. ये हम लोग बात किए थे bounce back. देखिए bounce back काम नहीं किया. It has come down further. So Fino PB Bank, we are not interested anything. Axis Bank, we were bullish, but now the momentum has a bit turned. देखते हैं क्या बोल रहा है एक्सिस. ओवरऑल अभी भी वीकली ब्रेकआउट चल रहा है. सो द मोमेंटम नॉट एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज इस जगह पे जब था जून 2023, बट आई थिंक ग्रेजुअल अपसाइड मूव इन एक्सिस बैंक इज लाइकली टू कंटिन्यू. तो डेली चार्ट में एक बार देखते हैं. डेली चार्ट में यहाँ पे क्लियर दिख रहा है कि मोमेंटम फेडिंग. तो थोड़ा बहुत पोजीशन स्क्वायर ऑफ करके ओवरऑल आउटलुक जो है अभी भी बुलिश है एज पर द वीकली. वो स्टॉक ओवरऑल अपना सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया में रहेगा, बट दिस स्टॉक इज नाउ गॉन बेस्ड ऑन डेली चार्ट. सो एक्सिस बैंक के निकल के उससे प्रॉफिट बुक करके रखना बेहतर होगा एज पर इफ यूर रेनबो सेटअप यूजर्स. So let's check the Jammu and Kashmir weekly. It is in 87, a new breakout, but the mode is a fading bull. So very careful रहना चाहिए, शायद ये breakout fail हो जाए. Let's come to the daily chart. Yeah, the momentum is coming down. There is a red cap. So ये जो breakout चल रहा है ये थोड़ा bumpy breakout रहेगा. So be very careful on the stop loss. Next, we have Karur Vaisa Bank. We highlighted this for the rainbow batches. You know this. This is a weekly beautiful buy run is continuing. यहाँ से buying आया था. Buy का signal was around 127. Stock is around 170. So a bullish bias broadly is continuing. Next is HDFC Bank. At HDFC Bank, we discussed that stock is coming back. Here is a buy signal. It does not have the enough जो हम लोग का criteria, it is not fulfilling. I have placed the alert. So this is, we need a 70 plus score in the strength. Stock RS status, we want rising bull, extreme bull, or speeding bull. This is bearish. So the stock is yet not ready, but this comeback is notable as it is happening from a very strong support zone. So is a warning hoga. We don't want basically HDFC, if it has to go up, it is not, should not come below 1609. So HDFC looks like further bullish move, very, very likely. Let's look at the ICICI Bank. That is also a bullish buy signal has come. ICICI Bank in a breakout mode. I think a further rise remains very much possible in ICICI Bank. CSB, but this ICICI Bank, if you look at it, is fully yet to satisfy the criteria. So जब तक अगर fully नहीं criteria, तब तक अपना position छोटा ही रहना चाहिए. This is yet to satisfy our 70 and rising bull criteria. Either we should not invest, or if we are doing, we should remain small. Then we have CSB Bank. It is firing higher. But in once in a fading bull mode, काफी लंबा run हो चुका है, so this run may be maturing. We should keep an eye as the RS status is fading bull. Next हम लोग जा रहे हैं AU Small Finance Bank. AU Small Finance Bank is coming back. The stock is not ready. Place the alerts. Alt A. Place stock strength score 70 alert or stock speed score. Anyone will do stock speed score greater than 10. Next, we have the Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank tried to come back, but here is the main resistance 1851. It is testing that, and even if it breaks, here comes another one around 1940. So even with a break, Kotak Bank can spend more time within this range. First is resistance of 1855 around, another is 1940. So even if a break comes in the immediate term, it can remain within this barrier. Next is the IDFC. IDFC, the stock is not ready. It is not fulfilling the minimum criteria of rainbow, which is a full green candle. We have seen a strong comeback looking at the RSI X. Bulls have gained some power, but we are still not there to go long. Then we have the Fed Bank. A new breakout is going on in the Fed Bank. So it's in a bullish mode. Stock RS status is fading bull. That's a warning. We would like to have further strength increase as we have entered and further stock speed increase. Then we have Tamil Nadu Marka Bank. Tamil Nadu Marka Bank, we remain out. It's bearish, not satisfying any of our criteria. Ujjivan Small Finance attempted a break higher. Once again, warning is the fading bull, momentum, and stock speed score. So if unless a major momentum comes back, so for that we need to place an alert. Short momentum bullish, which is the ST Momo. When the ST Momo turns bullish, we will be alerted. Next, we have the South India Bank. South Indian Bank has gone up, can go up further. We are seeing a crossover, but we are not ready. Minimum requirement is a full green candle. Next, we have the IDBI Bank. Once again, no full green candle. Place whatever the necessary alerts like speed score 10 and get out. Then we have the Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank remains within a range. Buyers have come back, significant rise recent times, but still not enough. We don't have a full green candles and all the strength score, these are not satisfying. So further waiting remains in Bandhan Bank. This one is City Union Bank. You can see my alerts. Once this level is cleared, this flat strong region, which is currently getting tested, we're likely to see further up move. But as this stock is breaking via फ्लैट जोन से ब्रेक कर रहा है ये स्टॉक, तो ये अपना काफी सारा एनर्जी लॉस करेगा. सो करेक्शन और स्ट्रगल इज वेरी लाइकली अराउंड 190. मतलब इस स्टॉक में दम नहीं रहेगा कि वो 200 को ब्रेक कर दे immediately. Then we have Suryodaya Small Finance Bank. This stock is not ready, as you can see. Then we have IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank, a fresh new break has come up. Now, as per daily chart, The buy signal was on 5th of December. There was a flat correction and we are seeing a very, very strong breakout. So it remains bullish, remains the idea. Warning is the fading bull on the stock RS and it is not fulfilling our criteria for strength score and speed score. Then we have Equita Small Finance Bank. It's fully bullish. Six factors are bullish here, 5 factors. So overall, 11 factors are bullish. Equitas Bank is having a good run. Let's look at the daily chart. After the initial big move, the turn in RSI suggests that the momentum is fading. So there could be a bigger pause or drawdowns in these entries. DCB Bank, let's look at the weekly. Just a fresh green candle is coming up. So it's a relatively solid candle. We should look for buy opportunities in DCB Bank when it sustains above this 127, 128 level. So if next week this sustaining above this, then a challenge of 135 very likely, and then a further break. Then we have the Dhanalakshmi Bank, a comeback, as you can see from the momentum score, that there is a comeback opportunities there in terms of momentum after flat correction, a full green candle, and the background is now fading bull, but we'd like to have rising, speeding, or extreme bull here. And stock speed score, we want the positive 10. So let's place an alert. Here we'll place the RS or relative strength alert, relative strength rising. Then we have the Karnataka Bank, not ready yet as per our setup. This we'll have to wait further in the stock. Yes Bank I highlighted. Yes Bank after a long time, very, very, very long time, it is breaking, given a buy signal here. And just a moment. So buy signal was generated. So Yes Bank, I thought break of this level was needed, and it was finally cleared here that Yes Bank remains strong and further rise remains on the card. And Yes Bank can definitely rise as it is rising. You can add more quantity. We can add after this break happens. This could be another point of entry in Yes Bank. Then it is sustaining above this level with 21.95. So this last week was a good fresh entry in Yes Bank. Then we have the RBL Bank. Strong breakout, another round of breakout. So RBL is firing strong. Now we will look at the PSU banks, which is the Union Bank, beautifully bullish. 84 is the stock strength score, speed score is 23, and RS is also extreme bullish criteria. That's meeting 12 out of the 12 factors. State Bank of India, a fresh breakout is happening in the State Bank of India. If it can sustain above 585 and more so above 600, very likely further bigger rise is on the way. Then we have Indian Overseas Bank or the IOB. It's not ready. As you can see, it's not a full green candle. So the stock is not ready. Better to avoid. UCO Bank, not ready. UCO Bank, after a good rise, the stock has not ready right now. Even with today's rise, we are not ready. Then we have the central bank, once again not ready, no full green candle, which is the minimum requirement. Then we have Bank of India, a breakout. Warning is the stock RS status is fading bull. Speed score is 9, or there is a momentum divergence. Then we have Bank of Baroda after consolidation, a fresh comeback, and this comeback is without any spike. So this is very positive. Bank of Baroda can continue to remain bullish in the coming weeks. Then we have the Punjab National Bank, which is in a fresh breakout here and a steady move going on, because after correction it has rested. Now the bulls are back in full force. Then we have Bank of Maharashtra. It is possible that it can go up further, but if you are using the rainbow, we'll have to wait for further weight of the evidence to catch up. This Canada Bank is firing, steadily going up. हम लोग 2-3 लास्ट जो वीडियो था बैंकिंग का उसमें डिस्कस किए थे. Canada Bank remains broadly bullish and very likely it is continuing that way. Then we have the Indian Bank, which is a fresh buy signal is generating just after a sell signal. That means sell signal was very likely to be a false signal. Not every signal does work, but this one likely to be a major false one. This is the PSB or Punjab and Sindh Bank. This is a full green candle is coming up. Preferred is if the stock starts to sustain above 46 and starts move beyond, say, for around 50. So this can be an opportunity, but the stock is, as per rule, is yet to get fully ready. So Indian Bank, once again, it was a false signal and now it's a comeback. So we can see further strong rise in the Indian Bank. So that's all from my side. जो भी बैंकिंग सेक्टर स्टॉक्स है हम लोग क्विकली देख लिए, और साथ में ये भी देखिए रेनबो के साथ कितना आसान है डिसाइड करना which stocks are good for us right now and which stocks are not good for us. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are liking this, don't forget to put a like and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching it. All the best and happy trading.